Take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting hot up in here.
Ka-trippers! June 6, 2026. Dito tayo ulit sa downtown Toronto. Naalala lang na ay downtown Ottawa. So,
Downtown Ottawa. June 6 sa 3. Ano ngayon? Oras? Almost
1400.
2 p.m.
Yeah. Teka lang.
Yun.
Dati, pagka na ano kami, pasyal tayo. Pag Sabado. Punta tayo sa Bacoor. Ngayon, nagpasyalan na namin. Punta tayo. Downtown Ottawa. Wow.
Diyan ka na naman. Magkakape kami muna ka-trippers kasi hindi pa kami nakaano. Pagising.
Favorite ni Inday dun sa anong pangalan na?
By sound.
naman
Oh,
talaga
it's still
rin eh.
stop ga. Walk na lang tayo dito na way. It's okay. Wala, nakatingin. Kita yung mata niya. Yung eyeball ng mata niya.
So, yun. Amazing isn't it? Kasi yun lang.
Ito na lang yung exercise namin kaysa mag-ano kami, pa-member sa gym.
Thank you, Canada.
Yung papawalk-walk muna kami dito ka-trippers.
Malaking bagay yung ano eh. May matuklasan ka na e-parking. Like club laws.
Yes.
You have to pay. Pero it's only $5 Canadian dollar.
Tanggalin ko muna yung mukha ko. Ni-remove ko muna ka-trippers yung pagmumukha namin kasi view ang kailangan. Hindi yung mukha namin. What
Ano
activity
meron?
today? Yung may nakita kami kasi today, actually we will start June 6 or 5 to 7 or 6 to 7. May ganun kasi sa may nag-post sa Ottawa is not boring na open doors. Yung parliament, may mga list doon na open doors. And may nasa list din doon, may mga part ng mga buildings, historical building
Like
na need ng registration.
Oh, yung
But for here, itatry namin yung parliament kung pwede kaming pumasok kasi free nga ang nakalagay doon, free.
Kasi pag hindi, papalista ka pa ng 1 week before.
Oo,
Parang
papareg ka
rules
pa.
din sa Pilipinas.
Pero ito, wala, hindi siya nakalagay. So from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it's already 2 p.m. I don't know kung makakahabol kami. Pero no pressure, just enjoy. Ayun. Enjoy lang ng view. Alright, later again, ka-trippers. Pasyal-pasyal. Ka-trippers dito sa Byward. Bagong pintura pa lang kaya hindi pa pwede lakaran. Ayan na.
Just umulan.
Tas, dahil ano, alas kadurang tadhana dito, ang weather, ang ulan. Hindi pa nga tapos eh, yan pa oh. May part pa oh, na ano, na blank.
Ka-trippers, ito yung ng winter time. Ayan yung roll up. Naging alfresco. Yung madalas namin napupuntahan na kape-kape kami ni Inday. Naka-take out yung isa kasi sobrang laki.
What is your name? Okay.
Buhay na buhay Saturday. Brasil! Obrigado!
Costco.
Procurei o mundo
Nag-ano tayo ng Brazil event. Tripper Saturday, June 6, 2026. Brazilian yung mga yan. Pati yan nag-ano. Feels like siya. Say no, pwede sumayaw sa gitna. Pero hindi yan na-add up lang yung ka-trippers. Ganda ng view ng Ottawa, no? Downtown. Only legend, no? Ka-trippers, just for laughs. Just for laughs. Meron talaga niyan pag nakuha ka sa park. Downtown Ottawa, wow, it's amazing. Tingnan mo. Pag dito ka, just so balance talaga dito. Busy kami ni wife Monday to Friday. Then tingnan mo, pasyal day namin. Downtown Ottawa. Ayan ang tumbok namin, no? The very beautiful Parliament of Ottawa. Ka-trippers.
Ano?
Pag nandito kayo.
Oo?
Pag nandito kayo,
Oh, tapos?
talagang kasi summer na, just tingnan mo yung huni ng ibon.
Talagang huni.
Parinig mo. Oh? Wow. Pero so downtown Ottawa ay Parliament. Amazing.
Major Hills Park to, ka-trippers.
Oh. Yung pinasyal namin kayo ng Tulip Day,
Yeah.
nawala na
Dito
si
din
tulip,
yun.
pero greeny naman, oh. Yan, greeny.
Punta muna kami dyan kasi until 4 p.m. lang yung open doors. Ayan yung museum, open doors din yan, ka-trippers. Yung sa baba, eto.
Nag-arrive kami, kinoconstruct.
Kaya lang, late na kami. Kaya ewan ko kung ano maabutan namin. Tapos tomorrow, may work back home. So maybe next year again. So ito siya. Open doors din to, ka-trippers.
Diyan kami nagtampi sa unang dating
Yan,
namin dito.
pupunta lang po kami dyan, oh.
Gano?
Oo.
Yan, oh.
Doon siya nagtampisaw. Doon kami galing.
3 days apart, 5 days pa lang kami. Yan ang tinumbok namin, Katrina.
Balik ulit. Sa taas ulit.
Feeling some type of way. I know you must feel.
Ano kami galing sa gilid?
Rideau Canal.
Yung pa na yun.
Dito pababa sa Rideau Canal. Tapos kami dito sa Parliament Hill. Walking. Open house until tomorrow, June 7. 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Isang oras pa ba? Kaya pa.
Nag-start daw to 2019 eh. Hindi naman basta-basta mag-construct ng building. Kailangan yung safety. Tapos ang quality nila dito, ka-trippers. Hindi pang DPWH. For long term talaga yung construction, yung ano nila, yung materials.
There's only one.
So, kahit na 2019 pa sila nag-start, it's okay. Quality naman.
It's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again. Baby, I'm on your side.
Open house. Try namin. Tanungin magkaka-open house until 4 p.m. We're allowed to enter the dragon. Yeah.
Pati yung open.
Yung Senate, yeah.
Yung pala yung Senate. Kasi itong para malakang ganda.
Oo.
Sabi ng sa atin, layo, no?
Here. Welcome to the center block Benvino. No, it's okay.
This is only part of it.
Till 2032, hindi daw to ma-open. But ang sinasabi lang na open house is that you can
construct it.
see here outside. Yan, kung paano nila i-construct yung building. Ay, wow. Ayan. You can, see it up close. Look. Ayan, up close. Yeah. Please. Makikita natin. Kasi usually closed to sa labas.
Now it's coming.
Well, they show on TV sometimes that wind stuff bring these things down. That's what we
John, nice bird.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Kuya. Until ma-open lang siya full. Completed. Until 2032. But for now, only this area yung open so that you will have idea, ka-trippers, kung ano yung
Isa mo.
construction materials, transparent sila
Transparent.
when it
Gusto
comes to
ng-
their project.
ng matitinong politician sa atin. Like Marcoleta, kayo pa.
Oo. So makikita mo.
Oo. Transparency. Kung saan napupunta yung tax.
Yung
Yun.
binabayad ng kanilang people here in Canada. So, the third building, we're going to the third building. That's Supreme Court.
Ito, yung Senate na sabi mo,
Yeah.
go online, they will schedule you.
Okay, need registration.
Same sa natanong namin sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Yung museums, that museum.
Museum, need schedule, appointment.
Kasi sigurado para hindi maging crowded.
Correct.
Yun yung saka safety.
Safety, mamomonitor nila yung in and outs. Ayun, ka-trippers, yung papaview lang, yung part ng kino-construct, what's inside. Kasi interesting. But matagal, 2019 pa daw to, pero 2032 matatapos. Matapos ako, namin nun
Mahal,
yung validity ng
sana nakuha
passport.
yung news na yun. Kasi pinost nila online.
Yeah, posted to sa
Hindi lang namin na
Ottawa is not boring. Nakita ko lang to sa
Hindi mo na
sa online.
Okay, got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay, no time to waste. Okay.
Mga batang gala.
ganda ng view, no?
Hmm.
Take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting hot up in
Ito
here.
na lang ang dati.
Mine, there's only one thing.
Ganda nito sa personal.
Let's go. You were worried about him. Don't know where that he's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again. Baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take him off of your mind and let's take a ride. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay.
Ah, yan. Ang ganda ng view. Senate.
but he's nothing to me. Don't be
Tulog na maglakad eh.
no, you need it, want it. I'm your option, and I'll keep it honest. You were worried about him, don't know where that he's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again, baby. I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide.
Sa mga construction.
Ah, oo.
Oo to.
Trippers, so.
Diba?
Kala nyo makapasok kayo ng
Just.
lang. No.
Yeah, delivery yata yan ng trucks.
Feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay, okay. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay, okay. Got me feeling some type of way.
Oo.
Marami pala kami ikutin nito. Pawisan pala kami
Oo.
nito ngayon.
So where's the Supreme Court?
Visitor doon. Ayan o.
Okay.
National Capital Commission. Yan yan.
Okay, no time to waste. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused on mine. There's only one thing, baby, that I really need to know. Down, up, down. Come on, baby, let's go. You were worried about him, don't know where that he's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again, baby. I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take him off of your mind and let's take a ride. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too.
That bus is going to Gatineau. Ito na ga, Supreme Court of Canada. So let's go. Ayan no, wait lang.
Okay, okay. There's only one thing that you know that you need.
Ka-tripper, semento to, pero yung sa loob, may part na wood.
Behind it, no, you need it, want it.
Supreme Court of Canada, dyan kami pupunta. May 1 hour pa kami.
Honest, you were worried about him. Don't know where that he's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up,
Amazing pala to.
baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide.
Kung lalakarin mo pa further away sa Byward Market, dito yung Supreme Court. Open siya until 4 p.m.
Siya lang. Ayun ang squirrel.
Siya lang.
Ay, si
Brother!
Judy.
Brother Squirrel!
Legal yan tumawid ka ka-trippers.
No, you must feel it too. I'm here to stay.
Walking Squirrel!
May karapatan yan sila. Ayan na.
Supreme Court!
Over the river, and I told Laura, I said, I think that's the back. She said,
Yan, nakapila sila oh.
Okay, okay. Got me feeling some type of way.
With bags.
Take a minute,
No
let's
bags.
mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused on mine. There's only one thing, baby, that I really need to know. Down, up, down. Come on, baby, let's go. You were worried about him, don't know where that he's been. You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again, baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take him off of your mind and let's take a ride. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay, okay. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. There's only one thing that you know that you need. He's on your mind,
One eternity later.
It's not possible to take video inside. So, photo lang po. Kasi bawal ang video. May nakita kami na nagla-live, but siguro hindi ko lang alam, baka nag-work yan sa government or nag-secret service. May
Hindi
mga
namin
ganun
ginaya.
diba? Malay mo.
Hindi po to everyday
Opo.
Pinapost yan sa Ottawa.
So ngayon lang nag-open house sila until tomorrow, June 7. Again, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
So pag taga Ottawa ka, mag-a-appear yun sa Facebook like what's happening in Ottawa this June, ganon. This July, August, September. Something like that.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Canada!
Yan ang harap Nakita mo.
Oo.
Hindi pa namin naiikot to. Total nag-exercise kami. Doon sa
Naikot
sa
na namin.
Barhaven Doon sa
Naikot na
Barhaven
namin.
kami sana. But then again,
Ang sarap dito maglakad-lakad ga, no? Tinan mo.
Up, down, come on, baby, let's go.
Katrippers, expectation versus reality.
Ganda.
Wow! And siya, Chigajang, green na green, it's summer. Ito yung pababa. Yung mga bago sa Ottawa.
Alam mo yun yung ano?
Oo. Diyan kami galing,
Dito kami.
Ayun, no? Supreme Court. Ang sarap. Ito na yung walking namin, kaya outfit niya ay ganyan. At sa akin ay ganon.
Kasi po hindi ko na makita yung leg ko. Bawasan ko naman.
Diyan kami galing sa loob. It's so nice and warm, welcoming. Kaya kami na-amaze kasi sa downtown Toronto. Na ano kami noon. Yung pala, ang Ottawa, wow. Malulula ka pala sa ganda nito, sa kalinisan. It's so clean, warm, organized. Amazing. Teka lang, dahan-dahan na ikot. Kasi po, mahihilo kayong mga viewers. So again, thank you for our subscriber. Oy, may shirts. Siyempre, gagrab namin yan. But thank you for all the blessings. Yeah, it's open. So, doon ang tawiran, no?
Tumawid siya eh.
Oo nga, no?
Oh, wala. Hindi.
Oo, doon tayo. Mali yan, ah. So, ka-trippers, so wow. Sumunod tayo sa ating ano, you have to tap this. Ito, uy. Ayun pa, 12, 10, 9. Ang ganda pala rito. Grabe, taga dito kami. Ngayon lang kami na kote namin to, ka-trippers. So, tawid ulit.
Yeah.
When you see that light, walk
Andrew's
sign.
Church.
Ah,
So, yan ang
Yeah.
St. Andrew's Church open.
ayun ang name mo. Sorry. Kaharap ng church ay Supreme Court.
You right down here.
Here's our mass closed early today because of the
Funeral.
2 p.m. Okay.
Okay, so bawal. Pwede pa kami dun banda.
Yeah.
Pero dito na lang kami. Gatineau, wow. Okay, that place. Dito kami maglalakwatsa dito naman sa side na to. Palibot dun.
Can I borrow that?
Sa likod naman kami.
Pero,
Oh. Dito naman kami palibot sa likod. Let's go, mahal. The place is Rukent Street. Ang tutumbukin natin, Rukent. And the other one yung tumbok na Wellington Street. Punta
Yan
doon
yung
sa
ano,
Parliament.
Straight line na to ay Wellington Street.
Yeah, and tumbok namin ngayon ay Rue Kent Street. Let's go!
Kent Street.
Doon muna. Tumbukin natin, balikan natin yung gitna.
Ito, coast to.
Kaya nga eh.
Tapos, Marriott,
May event
Ottawa. Baka may event.
May balik
Tapos,
kami
dito
dyan.
sa Sparks. Pwede ka mag-walking dyan.
Sa
Yung parang,
Sparks
nung
Street.
pagpunta natin sa Montreal last time, nag-walk tayo dun sa isa nilang street na open for people. Pina-close nila talaga. Going to Gatineau. So, ito yung way going to Gatineau. Dito kami sumakay,
Ayan.
Kent Street.
Correct.
Yan.
Correct. Ayun, nagantay tayo.
May umuusok dun
Summer.
Totoo yan, no? Ka-trippers, yung flowers nila.
Ayan.
Effort! Ayun na, sinuyod yung Toronto, Montreal, Niagara, pero dito sa Ottawa,
Maganda pa.
sa isang part lang kami naglakad-lakad. Oh, yan.
Daddy's been
Oh, weeks.
so fat. Turn it up again.
Ano? Oo. May nagdamo, may nagdamo. Matcha meets mango. Na-try na namin yan. Tinrate ako ni G.
Sa Toronto, Niagara.
Bakit?
May buntis dyan. Nagalaga ako yan eh. Kundi buntis yan, may anak yan. Papauwiin niya. Kasi ito pag di umuwi yan ka, siya magbabantay ng baby niya.
Ah,
Oo. Ang tagal pa naglalakad. Para siyang likod ng alabang. Hindi BGC. Kasi ang BGC boy na boy.
Oo.
Sa likod ng alabang na iniikutan namin dahil dun sa health class.
sa Philinvest.
Hindi kinainom tayo na isa rin, nakalimutan.
Sa Philinvest ba yun? Oh, nice. Dito pala may mga outfit, oh.
Oh, Philinvest Mall, correct.
Ayan, oh.
Di ba?
30%,
Yan ang,
50%.
Pahaba.
Oo nga.
Yeah, amazing.
Oh, nice. Meron
Dito
pala yan
sikat
dito?
Kami ng Montreal sa Toronto. Oh, tingnan mo yung, ang galing din ang
Ay, ayan, oh.
art nila eh, para rin sa Montreal na binabalik.
Oh, yung
natin
Palace
sa
du
bahay.
Arc. Pero Bank of Canada yan. Nakalagay kanina.
May
Parang roof niya yata yan eh, sa basement. O yung parang underground. Tapos ano, gawa-gawa ko lang na story yun. Wag ka gawa-gawa ko lang yun, ha? Wag kayo maniwala.
Churi.
It's just my assumption. Nothing else. We haven't been there yet.
It's just churi. Ang ganda oh. Nagpapagutom po kami.
Mhm.
Oh?
You know, ang ganda ito. Wow!
Amazing. Ay, sa Clarence. Pupunta tayong Clarence.
Yun nga yung sabi ko sa'yo, sabi ko 499 na ano.
5.
Fruits yun eh, oo.
5 yun.
So 5.
Meron din choice na shake.
499.
Yung ice cone yun. Ito. Sa baba, then sa taas yung
Oo.
price niya.
Lagi lang natin to dati nadadaanan pero hindi natin to na yung ano lang yung kotse la o di kaya nag-crossing lang sa street pero yung nag-walk tayo dito sa area na to hindi. Ito lang yung ano ko kanina eh. Sabi ko sana hindi ganun ka-araw. Sakit ng araw nila. Gloomy lang. Buti naman.
Ba talaga angel mo, no?
Buti naman. Pero sana akong paldo. Angel, sana bigyan mo kami ng paldo. Male-maleta.
Yung Canadian dollar. Please Lord, tayo siguro tayong loto. Kasi palibingga eh. Hindi, try mo yung tatlong
Talaga?
kaskas.
Oo, talaga. Dito. Ka-trippers, baka may mabigay kay numbers.
Ayan na.
Sila yun pala kanina.
Security dun sa parliament.
Information.
Information. First, yung dalawang bike. For sale yan kasi bike shop yun. Then, post office na Orawa. May trivia. Sino siya?
Si Kuya Kwajimu. Ani Shinabi Aniki.
Peter Henderson, guys.
Parang hindi mo mararamdaman ang pagod dito pag naglalakad ka. Pansin ko lang. Medyo warm, humid, pero tolerable. Kaya.
Just for
Water
the-
station para sa bottle, water bottle mo.
Ano binadya?
Kung sa atin sa Pilipinas, sa tumbler, dito water bottle.
Trippers, pwedeng umupo-upo dyan pag may food kayo.
Sabi ng boss ko sa akin, remove that water bottle. Remove that water. I was thinking it was a mineral water ba. Tapos, water bottle, shit. Ang isip ko pala, tumbler pala. Tumbler na pala yung sinasabi niya.
Kanya-kanya English po.
Kaya, nag-gets ko na. Okay, nag-gets ko na. Ay, ganda. Guinness.
Ano mga Pilipino?
Ay, yun yung pinanood mo. Yung movie na si Amy.
Yeah.
Balik. Back to Parliament. Yan na siya.
Okay, got me feeling some type of way.
Ayan ang post office. Other street.
Ang itsura niya, alam niyo yung John Wick na tinutuluyan niyang hotel.
Week daw na design. Napindot ko kasi ang brightness.
Parang luneta.
Before my time.
Guman? No? Ayan. Oh. Ganun. Katulad po sa luneta sa atin. Ayan, no? May real guards. Historical.
But luckily, it's moving very forward in time, and we've
Yun po.
Bonjour. Oh, sorry.
Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay.
Amazing! One spot na amazing. Ayo!
Napagod na siya eh. Nakakatayo. Oh. He needs to move.
Oh.
I think it's every hour.
Ay, yung isa hindi natin nakuhaan. Yung naglalakad. Ay, bumalik na. One of the amazing view. Yung spot na yan. At si Hinday, oh.
Wala ka bang
You know I'll be your friend. Turn it up again. Baby, I'm
Pupunta naman kami ka-tripper sa Rideau Canal. Ayan na si G, ang aking pugi-puging driver. Woo! Wow! Ginupitan ko yan. Ginupitan ko yan, baby ko. May baon kami. Galing pa po kami bundok. Punta kami ng Rideau Canal. Yan lang ang Rideau
Proud
Canal,
flag.
ka-trippers. Ayun o.
Our new proud flag. Canada. Let's go.
You need it, want it. I'm your option, and I'll keep it honest. You were worried about him, don't know where that he's been.
Fairmont Chateau Laurier.
Doon kami kanina sa kabilang side.
Yung Rideau Canal, dyan lang yan sa number 1 Wellington. Pero hindi yan yung ano niya entrance. Dito yan malapit sa Parliament. Pero dahil ayaw na ni G pumunta dyan kasi mahaba-haba na nilakad namin.
Nakailang balik na kami.
Next naman. Dun muna kami sa mall.
Pwede na po namin siyang balik-balikan palagi.
Yep. Masarap kasi mamasyal pag ganito lang ang weather ka trippers, pero pag winter, effort siya, takot mag-drive para sa kay G. Senate visitor entrance, so ayan na Senate. Tapos madulas, napudpud na nga yung front na right na gulong eh. Kasi nga nakadkad sa ice.
Pero makapal pa rin naman siya.
Safe pa rin. Sinabi ko lang nakadkad, hindi ko sinabing naubos. Comprehension.
Ayan o.
Yeah, umiiwas dyan dumaan.
Sa ilalim.
Sa ilalim talaga.
Teka.
You have no choice. I think they close it. Hindi. Oh. So, dito kami sa ilalim dadaan.
Ang pareho naman nito ay
Wala pa ako nadaanan dun eh. Meron sa Makati pero yun, aircon. We ordered meal of the day, $7.99, and today is turkey breast. So, included the soda, cookies, and the 6 inches turkey breast. Yeah.
I'll get mayo, please. And I'll do the house sauce.
I go for 7-Up. 1 7-Up and Dr. Pepper.
The other one?
7-Up. Thank you.
No, that goes to the. I guess I'll do a.
Chip or cookie?
I'll go with the double chocolate.
Double chocolate. This is our meal of the day. Siya si 7-Up, ako si Dr. Peppa. And included na sa meal of the day, included cookie, 6 inches, bread,
Dumi lang ha.
drinks, and this is the total bill. That's all for today, ka-trippers. Happy weekend. Enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Babush for now.